Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, so today I'm doing a little sketch using water-soluble graphite, and the sketch that I'm doing is copied from a drawing by the artist J.D. Harding, and the materials that I'm using for this are my A5 Sea White watercolour travel journal, and the pencils that I'm using are the Faber-Castell Aquarelle pencils. And I've just got a very small selection of brushes there, size 6, size 4 and a small detail brush, and as always I'll leave links in the description below to the materials that I'm using. So the pros and cons then of using water-soluble graphite. Well, first of all, the first thing that people ask when we're talking about this medium is, should you use it as a pencil or as watercolour? Well, you can use it as both. You don't have to wet the graphite once it's on the paper. You can just use them as regular pencils if you want to. But obviously, you know, the idea behind these is that you can wet them and get some nice sort of watercolour effects. Now they can give a very interesting look if you use a combination of both wet and dry applications with this. You know, you can apply the graphite dry on the paper, add a little bit of water to it and soon turn it into a wash. Let it dry and then just go over it with dry graphite if you want to. There's lots and lots of different ways you can apply this. One of the other good things about this medium is it's very good for mixed media as well. It plays nice with a lot of other mediums like ink, watercolour, and it's actually very good for the pencil and wash technique as well. So you can apply this graphite, wet it down on the paper, and you're left with the tone work there, which generally is fairly fixed because it's been applied wet to the paper, it's soaked into the paper and it's dried, and it's quite nice to apply watercolour over the top of, so it's definitely a good medium for that. Another good thing about this as well, you can actually get some really nice tones with this, some really dark tones, if you apply the pencil wet onto wet paper. Some of the cons with water-soluble graphite are that it can look a little bit muddy if you overwork it. You know, it can tend to look a little bit muddy and a little bit patchy if it's not applied correctly. But again, that could be something that you like, it could be part of your style. Now, one of the misconceptions with water-soluble graphite is actually in the title, water-soluble. Technically it's not water-soluble, it cannot dissolve in water. Basically what happens is the very fine graphite particles are just suspended in the water and they kind of get pushed around the paper when you're using it with water. So it can tend to kind of get pushed to the edges and things like that. You can get sort of a build-up of it at the edges, but you soon learn to control, you know, the washes and how this medium actually works. Just takes a little bit of practice, that's all. It's like all things really. But I must say, I don't see many artists actually use this medium as their main go-to medium, and one of the reasons it's never been my sort of go-to medium, even though I mostly work in graphite and watercolour, you'd think that water-soluble pencils would really suit me, but actually no, they don't. I do enjoy using them. I think they're a really fun medium to use, very interesting medium to use, but I always think that whatever water-soluble graphite can do, regular graphite can do it better. I know some of you might disagree with that and say, well, it doesn't do it better, it just does it differently. Well, maybe. But the way I think about it is I can control regular graphite a lot easier than I can water-soluble graphite. But nonetheless, like I say, it's still a very fun medium to use and definitely worth having a go with. Okay, so I hope that's been helpful to you. I hope it's helped you decide whether this could be a medium for you to try or not. Maybe you're already using it and you love it. It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts about that in the comments section. Now, if you want more tips and advice on the methods to use for water-soluble graphite, this drawing is actually a full lesson over on my Patreon channel. It's all in real time and there's no adverts or anything like that over there, and it only costs just £3.50 a month, and you get full access to all of the drawing projects and all of the content over there, and it'd be fantastic to see you over there. Okay, so take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.